Hello, my name is Mr. Herbst. I am your fifth grade homeroom teacher. Today I'm going to go over your Canvas course and show you how to access your classes. So the first thing you do is you log in your Kenai Peninsula Borough School District webpage, and up here you click in Canvas, and when you click on your Canvas, you'll have to log in with your number and your password, which you should know, and then you'll come across your dashboard, which looks something like this. And if you scroll down here, classes, now remember these are all my classes I teach, but you're going to have this one. It's going to show a picture of a classroom, fifth grade class section 1, and it says Herbst on it. That's where you want to go to find our homeroom. And when you click on the homeroom, you will have this picture, and your schedule will be down here. There will also be an announcements over on the side, which is up here. You won't have all of these, you'll have just 3 of them. But announcements will be given weekly. You can take a look at it to see if there's anything you're missing, like field trips or things that are due. But your schedule is right down here. And on your schedule, you can see links. So you can see your math classes there. You will have links for all of these eventually. But I'm going to show you when you have science, social studies, you'll click on your science, social studies link when it's time for that class. And on that link you will come up to your page that has your textbook and all your assignments, and your parents can read this here. If I click on the weekly assignments, you will then go towards here's the first week of school, and you can see it goes throughout the year, all of your work. And these 3 things here are due, as you can see, the assignments are due August 28th. So you can click through the reading, the election results bar graph, and the physical map of the United States. Those are the things you are doing this week that are due Friday. And we'll be going over those through class. So those of you who are online will have to go through those yourselves, and you can contact me if you need help as you go through. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you, and we will go over classroom procedures and rules and all the COVID mitigation. We'll go over all of that on Monday. For now, come to school with a mask on. Make sure you wash your hands, and we'll see you Monday morning.